Hey, quit fooling around.
Hey sis, I just wanna ask the insurance policy that I took from you. How much did I get if I've gone blind? Oh, nothing. I think I just gone blind.
Mr. Whiskey, I think it is unlikely you will recover your eyesight.
Just sit here and don't walk away. I'll go to take the medicine for you.
Walk away? Do you think that I still dare to walk away? I'm a trash, seeing nothing but darkness.
And I don't even know if I can close my eyes. Don't wanna sleep cause I'm wide awake and dreaming.
Hi, my name is Clarissa. I'm the volunteer of this hospital. I totally understand how you feel right now, but you better take it easy.
Take it easy? How about I gouge out your eyes and see whether you can take it easy?
I lost my sight since I was born.
Sorry, I didn't really know that.
It's okay.
And we're like fireworks and symphonies exploding in the sky. With you, I'm alive. Like all the missing pieces of my heart, they finally collide. So stop.
Did you bring your cat a medicine? Huh?
Hey, what are you doing? I can walk, right? I can walk by myself.
Hey, watch out!
Hey, I can manage, huh? I can walk on my own. So just leave me alone.
No hand to hold. Without you, I feel torn like a sail in a storm. Without you, I'm just a sad song. I'm just a sad song.
Who is it?
It's Clarissa. I need to visit you. I hope I didn't scare you.
Nothing can scare me anymore. Just come in.
I brought a CD over. Can you play it?
Oh yeah. You can just give me the CD.
Here you are.
Oh yeah.
When you're feeling upset, listen to music. It has soothing effect. Let me give you some juice.
Okay, just give me the juice and a cup. I can manage it.
Okay, here you are. Don't spit it out.
I won't. If your fingers wet, then that's enough. If you want more, and then wet your fingers more.
It's filthy.
Everyone has his habit, right?
Or you're afraid of going out? Don't you say that nothing scares you?
In a storm. Without you, I'm just a sad song. I'm just a sad
But after you have mastered those skills, you can go on your own.
I can go out on my own right now. You don't believe me? I can show you.
Whiskey, where are you?
The most important thing is that you have to find something to lean on, like railings, and now you walk along with it. If you want to know what the pavement is, go to the other side. That's more railings, right? Now walk along with it. Lean onto the railings when there are railings, walls when there are walls. If you need direction, just ask someone. That's very simple to be blind. Water, Carissa, stay over where you are. There's a big poodle here.
It's not a poodle, it's a sea. Can you hear the waves? Please go to the school with me, please.
You're like fireworks and symphonies exploding in the sky with you.
10 o'clock position. A dog passes by with a bell.
9 o'clock position. Two grannies are talking. One of them said that her granddaughter is going to America.
3 o'clock position. Two boys are playing hide and seek.
7 o'clock position. A baby is crying. Maybe he's hungry. Don't you feel a lot happier now?
Really? Perhaps.
You can see the beauty of this world without real eyes. Isn't it amazing?
I can sail in a storm without you. Yeah, I'm without you. I feel broke, like I'm half of a whole. Without you, I've got no hand to hold. Without you, I feel torn, like I sail in a storm. Without you, I'm just a sad song. I'm just a sad song.